Assalamualaikum and good day to Madam Merlin. My name is Muhammad Syahruddin Osman. Today I will present my topic Sabah local identity as branding tools using Chang Endang as the case study. So company overview, Chang Endang is a Sabah-based dessert brand founded by Adam Shamil. It is well known for croffles and bingsu and it has grown rapidly with multiple outlets in Sabah. So type of creative output. For the creative output, Chang Endang use e-digital advertisement, and this e-bulletin is used to promote new menu items, promotion and special offers, and also business updates. It is shared through online platforms. For the e-bulletin format and rationale, the e-bulletin design focus on eye-catching images, short and clear message, and a mobile-friendly layout. The reason for choosing e-bulletin is because it is low cost, has fast and wide reach, and it is easy to update promotions anytime. So Sabah local identity as branding tools. Chang Endang use Sabah local identity by applying Sabahan culture and local flavor in its branding. It transformed a traditional ingredient into modern dessert, creating an authentic, unique brand identity. This approach builds emotional connection and customer loyalty, and helps the brand stand out in a competitive market. For the originality, in terms of originality and USP, Chang Endang offers a unique blend of modern dessert with Sabahan flavor. They have signature menu items not found elsewhere, plus customizable sweetness and healthier choices. All of these support a strong cultural brand identity. For the benefit and market potential, customers enjoy unique dessert experience, healthier options, and convenient digital engagement. For market potential, this same strength makes the brand attractive because many people today want unique desserts, healthier choice, and easy access through this digital platform. For the target customer, the primary market includes young adults, student, working professional, and family. The secondary market includes tourists, corporate, or event clients, such as people who may order for meeting or events. We go to number 9. For strategy, Chang Endang focus on digital marketing like e-bulletin and social media, loyalty programs, and quality control with staff training. For SWOT highlight, the strength is local identity, weakness, reliance on trend, opportunity, franchising, and the threat is high competition. So in conclusion, Sabah local identity is an effective brand tool for Chang Endang because it strengthens the brand identity and makes the business more competitive and more memorable. That's all for me. Thank you.